Hey everyone, Coach Gaby here, and today I have some awesome neck and shoulder stretches. Now, we spend so much time these days hunched over at an office desk, on our computers, on our phones, maybe not sitting the right way on our couch, sleeping wrong. Whatever it is, it's so important to take care of this part of your body. So let's get into it. Our first exercise is called chin forward to shoulder. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna bring our chin forward like so and keep it here for a few seconds. And then we're gonna go to the side like we're saying no. So we're saying no, but we're stopping in the middle each time. So chin forward, going over to one side, coming back to the middle, and then looking at the other side. So chin to shoulder, back to chest, and then to the other shoulder. We're gonna be doing this continuously for 30 seconds. We're gonna go forward, hold, to one side, hold, and then middle, and other side. Remember to keep your shoulders pressed away from your ears. We don't want them scrunched up. And this is a really great warm-up to prepare us for the other stretches we'll be doing, but also in the mornings, after waking up and you feel a little bit stiff, this is a great exercise to practice. All right, 3, 2, 1, come back to center and look up. Very good. That was our chin forward to shoulder. Next we have open to round, and we're doing 2 variations of this. So the first one, we're doing 2 different exercises like this. So our first one, we're bringing our hands behind our head, all right? Our elbows are out to the side, and then we're gonna bring everything in. We're gonna round, trying to bring our elbows in towards each other, maybe even touching if you can. All right, so coming all the way in, even caving your chest a little bit like this, really making sure everything's coming in. And then we're gonna open up, extend, and look up. All right, opening everything, pulling our elbows backwards. All right, like we're trying to touch them now on the other side, behind us, all right? So in and open, all right? 30 seconds, alternating continuously. Let's go. Gently pull on your neck when you come forward. All right, very gently. We're opening up, opening our chest, and coming in. Bringing those elbows together, gently pulling on your neck, and opening back up. Now you should feel this on your neck and your shoulders. All right, last one. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Relax, bring your arms down, shake it out a little bit. And I said we were doing 2 variations of this, so our next exercise is exactly like that, but with straight arms. So we're gonna be coming back all the way up, really stretching, opening up your chest, your neck's up, forward, and then we're gonna bring it in, bringing our hands together, and we're concaving our chest inwards, all right? So in, neck is down, and back up. All right, 30 seconds, breathing, and let's go. Very good. Move slowly. It's not supposed to be quick. All right, work through the motions, listen to your body. It should feel really good. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. Shake it out a little bit. And now we're doing side bends, okay? So side bends is when we, bend our necks to the side, but what I want you to do is do it in a proper form. So we're gonna bring one of our arms behind us, like so, all right? So bent, it's behind my back, like this, all right? And that's gonna keep our shoulder in a proper way, in a proper form, so that we can really take care of our neck here. So we're gonna reach out, come over the other side of our face, and gently pull here. We're gonna do this for 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently let go of your head. Release that arm, very good. And then we're gonna switch sides, bringing that behind us, then reaching out all the way over, gently grabbing our face and pulling, very good. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently let go and release the arm. Very, very good. Now, next we have a cross body shoulder stretch. So our arms extend out to our sides. We're going to bring one of them across our chest and the other one is going to hook right here behind the elbow, okay? Behind the elbow. And I want this straight arm of yours to not be so flexed, all right? I want it to have more of a dead weight and use the other arm that's hooked to support it and really bring it in towards you, all right? And try not to twist your body. Keep your shoulders facing forward and really just press that arm into your chest. All right, we're gonna be doing that for 30 seconds. So the one that is straight across your body is a little bit more relaxed. I don't want it, tension, all right? A little relaxed, and you're using that hooked arm to bring it forward, to bring it towards your chest, okay? To stretch your shoulder. All right, gently release and switch sides. Should feel really, really good on your shoulder, on the one that is stretched across your body. Gently release, very good. Let go, relax. And now we are going to be doing backward shoulder rolls, all right? And I want you to really exaggerate here. Your shoulders are gonna come up, all the way up, push them back, down, down, forward, and then back up, all right? Don't just do little movements, exaggerate them. Really stretch out your body, okay? We're gonna be doing that for 30 seconds. And let's go. Go slowly, work through the motions. If it helps to have your hands out to the side so you can really just work your shoulders, go for it. I actually like that a little better. I'm gonna do that. Chin is up, nice, long, elegant neck. Alrighty, relax, very, very good. And now to end it, we are going to be doing some head rolls. We're gonna be doing 30 seconds going one way and then 30 seconds the other. And the same thing with those shoulder rolls. I really want you to exaggerate, go forward and then to the side and then backwards and come around, okay? But take your time. Don't overstretch your neck. Listen to your body and just, it should feel good, all right? So we're gonna be doing 30 seconds one side, starting now. You can close your eyes, enjoy the moment. I'll let you know when the time's up. All right, 3, 2, 1. Come back to the beginning and switch to the other side. Alrighty, and come up. Very good. Those were your neck and shoulder stretches. I hope you enjoyed them. You can do as many sets as you'd like, 1 to 3 to begin with in the mornings, when you wake up in the morning, at night before you go to bed. It'll maybe even help you sleep better. And don't forget to check out our channel, subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.